Ebonyi and Enugu are typical examples of community development in action. Community that a year ago were virtually cut off from modernization and now celebrating modernization. Networks of roads going round in a way they have never thought they will experience in their lifetime. The rehabilitation of Abakaliki-Afikpo Road Section 1 and 2 are on course. Substantial portions have been completed in both sections.
They started working on this road. Our people before we could get to Abakaliki, we will spend up to 30 or 35 minutes. But now from my place to Abakaliki town, you just go there less than 10 minutes. So, and it's a very nice thing. If you need something to meet up, you will meet up at any time you want. I see this community, because of this development, because of this project, that it will be developed even more than Abakaliki town. It will develop more than Abakaliki town, as I'm seeing, because it is a good thing. Why we have been suffering is because of the bad road. Going to town is very, very hard thing to us, but for today, I know the whole thing inside Abakaliki town is already in our own community today because of the good road.
That's hard. This road is better now than the day before. We are enjoying. We are very, very enjoying. And we are grateful to greet our president. Good luck, Jonathan. We are very, very happy.
Enugu Port Harcourt Road is in progress. Obiozara, Uburu, Mpo, Oshiago is completed. Oji, Achi, Obiago, Nako, Agwo, Ndiagbo is under construction. Substantial part has been completed.
Formally, it takes us around 40 minutes from here to the neighboring village, but now 5 minutes. I'm a National Union executive. So we own all the vehicles in this community. We know exactly what happened. We are happy with the Setraco, not only that they build the road, but they build the road strongly. It's a very fantastic job. So the community praise, thank God for whatever they are doing. If you have been here since last 2 years, you will know that this road is too bad. But today, everybody is praising Setraco and God, to give them the power and knowledge to do that kind of job. We're praising the government most because they remember that these two communities, they are live. We thank God. We thank God.
Before this road You know they go through this road though. Only a stone throw a stop, a stone throw a stop. Push, 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 push motor. Motor no dey go this side. Till the government can't remember us. We thank them so much. We thank the government so much. They tried. So now we are happy for the road. We are enjoying the road. Since after the war, since the road, this road was before the war, and since after the war, we are cut off. But now we are enjoying the government. I say thank you to them. May God bless them and bless us too.
Before when we are in SS1, the road is very, very difficult for us. So when we are about to enter to a bike, to reach our school, the road, because of the rainfall, the road is not more good for us to go. But this time around, we find that it's very, very easy for us to go and come back very easy. So in times that we are not with any money to enter bike, we can still use our leg and go to school and come back without any problem.
Massive work is going on in Udiamokwe, Obelago Umana Junction, Ebenebe Road. This is a network of roads around communities that before now did not have paved road at all.
This contract comprises of 6 roads. These 6 roads cut across Eziago and Udu local government areas of Enugu State. So the total length of the road is 56 kilometers. And again, the roads are domiciled in different locations. It's a network of roads, like I told you, that is linking each other.
My own experience for this road is this. We thank God as things come to happen for this road. We never expect. We don't think that this kind of thing can happen for our side. You don't tell where they suffer. But now we don't greet God. God don't remember us for our village, for our main road, for this road go now. If you enter inside the village, you go see many people they happy, people they enjoy, both students, everybody they enjoy. Say they greet God. Say this first in history, this kind of thing will happen for our side.
You have cassava here, cultivate yam,
If you say, as I do now,
you carry everything going up and down.
Even if I get anything, I will go bring and give you people to show you that I'm very, very happy for things where that happen for this road.
I know Sabi say I go there alive, so we give these people contract of this road. Now, whether I die, I go tell our old people where they for ground say I don't see movement in this world. Say if you not come out again now reach for a place, when I go wonder.
With the number of projects completions and ongoing all over the country, there is no doubt that the Honorable Minister of Works' dream of motorists being able to travel through unbroken chains of dual carriageways is becoming a reality. It is not Uhuru yet. A lot still needs to be done. It is a daunting task, but slowly and steadily the battle is being won. With the determination of President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, coupled with the able and passionate leadership of the Minister of Works, Architect Mike Onolememen, there is no doubt that the task to transform Nigeria roads infrastructure in the country will be won and our roads will be fully better again.